Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you how to fix app not working and not opening on Mac. So first of all, what you want to do for today's video, I'm going to show you a iMovie app as an example. So if it's not launching, first of all, what I want you to do is actually just to quit it. So you click on the right click of your mouse and you're gonna just click quit. After that, you just try to relaunch it. If that doesn't work, what I suggest to do is go to your Apple icon and you're just gonna click force quit right here. Choose iMovie and click on force quit and click on force quit. And that's it. The application was force quitted, and then try to relaunch it again. Again, if that doesn't work, make sure that your MacBook is up to date. So to look at that, you will write down on your search bar system settings. Then you're gonna go to general software update and see if your MacBook is up to date. So for example, my MacBook is not up to date, so I may need to upgrade it if I want the apps to launch. So make sure to do that. Again, if after the update, or maybe your MacBook is up to date, if that application doesn't load, another great way is to just restart your Mac. And after restarting, if application you are trying to launch is still not working, I would just suggest to reinstall it. So to do this, you will, if for example the application is from the App Store, so for example iMovie is actually from the App Store, of course, just try to check on the App Store, for example, if it's up to date. Sometimes there is update right here, update button right here, so look at that. And also to reinstall the app, you're just gonna go to search and write down applications. On the applications, I'm just gonna write down iMovie, and here it is. And now to reinstall it, you just click right mouse click and you click move to bin. After you have moved your application to bin, just click on empty the bin. And after that, try to relaunch the app and it should definitely work. So yeah guys, if this video was helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.